Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming instrument calibration and a clean working field. This prevents false readings. Seat the patient comfortably and stabilize their head so you get repeatable results. Once done, set the eyepiece to your vision and bring the target into focus at the optical center. Start with the right lens, center the lens holder and rotate until crosshairs align. Make sure to note ambient light and instruct the patient to fixate steadily on the target. Now perform the neutralization procedure. Rotate the lens until the reflex disappears or reverses, then read the diopter value carefully. Record sphere, cylinder, and axis precisely. Axis is critical for astigmatism correction. Once you have the first eye measurements, change to the left lens and repeat the exact motions to avoid parallax error. If measuring prisms or high-power lenses, take smaller rotation increments and log each step. Make sure to double-check labels so right and left data don't get swapped. Finish by rechecking both lenses to confirm consistency and then document all values clearly. This prevents transcription errors. After you finish, clean lenses and re-zero the focimeter to maintain accuracy for the next user. If readings are inconsistent, inspect alignment first. Miscentered lens or incorrect eyepiece focus are the usual culprits, so realign and repeat measurements. If problems persist, examine for scratches, warped lenses, or mechanical play and address those before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.